making your own volcano experiment. You might think how to make one. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own one. Before we dive in, let me tell you what is my name. My name is Lakshanya and I am 9 years old. Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a volcano experiment. Let's start. The ingredients we need is a food coloring, some vinegar, detergent, a funnel, and a spoon for scooping. And we need a baking soda. But you might think if we don't really have a volcano base, you might use a long bottle so that the experiment can also work there. So now, let's start. First, we are going to add a little bit of baking soda into the volcano. Now, we are going to add some food coloring into the baking soda powder. 1, 2. Now, we have to add a little bit of detergent, but we should add a little bit into the cover and then you should pour in our beaker if you want. So now, let's pour into the volcano. The final step is pouring the vinegar into. So a few drops only. Okay, our volcano is white. So let me add a little bit of food coloring onto it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Can you see it is pouring? If it doesn't come out, it takes time. So what we should do is add a little bit more of vinegar. Can you see now? It is pouring. And I think it is the end of our experiment. I hope that I see you guys next time. Thank you.